Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by turning the ignition off and removing the key so the wipers cannot activate while you work. Next, lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks in the upright position. This reduces awkward angles and gives clearance. Inspect the blade where it meets the metal hook. You'll see a small plastic release tab. Once positioned, place one hand behind the blade to control spring tension and get ready to depress that tab to unlock the blade from the hook. With the arm secured upright, press the plastic release tab firmly. You should feel a click as the locking catch disengages. Once released, slide the blade straight down the length of the metal hook. Do not pull outward because the hook is a tapered slot. If it binds, rotate the blade a small amount while sliding. This aligns the adapter groove with the hook opening. Keep a steady grip so the arm doesn't snap back, and set the old blade aside for disposal. To install, align the new blade's adapter with the hook and slide it upward along the same axis until you feel and hear the locking click. That click ensures the tab engaged. Once secured, lower the arm gently onto the glass, never drop it, and visually confirm the blade sits flush from base to tip. Start the vehicle and run the wipers to check for streaks or skipping. If the blade lifts or skips, recheck orientation and adapter seating. Use a towel to hold the arm and retry seating if the spring is too strong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.